Hi friends!
Hi guys.
Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare bruschetta, the most traditional and important dish in all of Italy. For us, bruschetta is our favorite appetizer. We do this very often, especially when we don't have much time. It's fresh, it's easy, and it always brings back memories of Italy. To prepare bruschetta, you'll need rustic Italian bread, fresh tomatoes, good quality olive oil, fresh and aromatic basil, garlic, salt, dry oregano, and of course, black pepper. Start with fresh bread, rustic, crusty Italian style. Slice it thick so it can hold all those amazing juices. Toast it on both sides until golden. That crunch is essential. Then take ripe tomatoes, the juiciest you can find, and dice them finely. Now take a garlic, dice it finely, and add it straight into the bowl with the fresh tomatoes. Don't forget the fresh basil, it brings the soul of summer into every bite. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper, some oregano, and a drizzle of the best extra virgin olive you have. Now, gently spoon that mixture over the toasted bread. Let it sit just for a moment, enough to soak in the flour, but not get soggy. And here it is, our bruschetta, full in love. Every time when we make it, we feels like we're back in Italy. Try it at home and let us know what's your favorite way to start an Italian meal.